Hi guys, welcome to the Prince of Technical channel. In the C language tutorial series, today we are going to see the alphabet pattern number 4. In the previous pattern we discussed some of the patterns, but today we are going to discuss some more patterns, and it is one of the interesting pattern guys. Because whatever you are seeing on the screen, if you look like it is looking very simple, but logically it is little bit different. So how to print this type of patterns, just we are going to start. So as usual, if you want to write any C language program, we include the two header files. So I will write hash include stdio.h hash include conio.h, and then we'll write white main. And guys, if you do not like subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for more videos. So I am taking here n. First we will read the n value. So enter the n, or we can say enter the number. Why we are reading this n value? Because how many rows and how many columns we want. In my program, if you look at here, 4 rows and 4 columns I am having. So this 4 rows and 4 column, how it will be decided? By using n value. If n value is 4, 4 rows 4 columns. If n value is 5, 5 rows 5 columns. Like this it will be printed. After that, how to write the code? So we need the two for loop, that is I is equals to 1, I less than or equals to n I plus plus, nothing but number of rows. Similarly, number of column for j is equals to 1, j less than or equals to n j plus plus. This is nothing but number of column. Now inside that guys, we are having two things if you observe here. One is what? The dollar, and second we are having ABC. So dollar, how many are there? If the first row is there, it is nothing but $3 1A. So what is the logic? What I can say? If n value is 4, n minus 1 is dollar and 1 is A. On the second row, n minus $2 and 2 AB, n minus 3 and so on. So simple concept here, n minus $3 will be there on the first row, and it will just increase in the next rows. So indirectly in my program I want the two logics. So what I will do, I will write here two for loop inside this one. That is nothing but, okay, I will do one thing. This for loop only I will take it 2 times. So this for loop is there, this I will write twice. Why? One is for the dollar and second is for the AB. So for the AB we need the k is equals to 65 in my program. Why? Because k equal a value is nothing but ASCII value of a is 65. ASCII value of a is 65, that's why k value I took the 65. Now come to the first for loop. When I started with the first row, in first row how many times it should execute? N minus 1 time. Sir, why n minus 1 time? Because that many dollars I wanted to print. Second loop, n minus 2. Nothing but simply I can say this logic should be executed n minus I time. Why? First time I value is 1, so it will execute n minus 1. Second time I value 2, so n minus 2 time, n minus 3 time. Like this it will be executed. And what you wanted to print on the screen? You wanted to print on the screen dollar, so write the dollar. And guys, don't worry, each and every point with graphical representation I will explain. First I am just writing the logic. In the second logic, how many times it should execute? First row, if you look at to the this one, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. So nothing but what? Simply I can say it should execute in I time. I means what? I value first time 1, so it will execute 1. Second time it is 2, so it should execute 2 times. So I am writing what? Percentile D, and I will pass the k value, and I will write here k plus plus, and here k is equals to 65 I will write, and I will take the new line. And guys, as I said, I will explain each and every point in detail. Now observe very carefully. I am going to open the Paint here. In the Paint, what I wrote here, already I wrote A, J and N value. I will just minimize it. And don't worry, each and every point will be answered here. Okay. I value is what? Initially 1. I value initially 1. So 1 less than or equals to N value we are considering 4. Why? Because in our diagram I gave here 4 rows. So that's why I am considering it as 4. Now 1 less than or equals to 4, condition true, it will come inside. Here j value will become 1. 1 less than or equals to n minus I. N minus I is nothing but guys 3. So right now this condition value is 3 guys. This condition value is how much? 3. So simply this condition will execute how many times guys? 3 times. This condition execute how many times? 3 times. Why? Because j value is 1. J value is how much? 1. And this condition value is 3. So 1 less than or equals to 3, true. So like this, how many times it will execute? 3 times. So first time it will print dollar. Second time j value will become 2, nothing but 2 times it will execute. And third time again j value will be 3, so third time dollar will come. Why? Because n minus 1 is 3, so that's why this condition is executing 3 times guys. Then after the j value will become 4, because when this condition is false it will come out. Again j value will become 1 only. Now I value is what? 1. So how many times this loop will execute? Only 1 time. 1 time is nothing but just I will show you practically. J value is 1, I value is 1. 1 less than or equals to 1, true. It will come inside k value. K value is nothing but what? 65. But we have to print what? Percentile C. Why? Because we want the characters. So 65 equivalent character is A. So A I will print on the screen like this. So what I got it on the first line, $3 1 A. Why dollar guys? You got it already. And some equation might be you observe here, instead of dollar they are having space. So what you have to do, just write here space. But I will show you both in a practical way, don't worry. Now come to the next one. Next line, what will happen? Again when we are going to the next line, again a k value will be 65. So k value will be 65. New line is nothing but it will go to new line. I plus plus, second time I value will become 2. Here it will check 2 less than or equals to n minus I. What is n value? 4. I value 2. 4 minus 2, 2. So this equation will execute how many times guys? 2 times. So here $2 will come. Guys, if you don't know any basics, I will suggest you please watch my last video so that you will get very clarity how these values are changing. Because those who are watching this continuous series, they will get bored. That's why I'm just directly I'm telling in the shortcut that if this condition is 2, it means it is executing 2 times. Now come here. Again I value is 2 and j value is 1. So how many times this loop will execute? 2 times. First time k value is 65. So it will execute, it will give the value as A. K plus plus, it will become 66 because second time value will be 66 and j value will become 2. So again because j plus plus 2 less than or equals to 2, true. It will come inside, k value will be printed. What is k value? 66, nothing but B will be printed on the screen. Next again k plus plus, because here k plus plus is there, it will become 67 and j plus plus, j value will become how much guys? 3. So here 3 less than or equals to 2, because I value is 2, condition is false, it will come out. When it come out, what will happen? Again your k value will become 65 and j value will become 1. So every time it will happen guys. This will become 1. So this is 1, this is 65. And slash n is nothing but what? After this value is 65, slash n is nothing but new line. So what will happen again? Your I plus plus will become incremented, it is 3. Now n value is 4, I value is 3, nothing but 4 minus 3, it will become 1. So j value is 1, 1 less than or equals to 1, true. So how many times this condition will execute? Only 1 time. So $1 will come here. After that come here, I value is 3, j value is 1. So 1 less than or equals to 3, true. K will be printed, k is 65, so A will be printed. Then k plus plus, it will become what? 66. So on second character will be printed, that is B, because B is equivalent to 66. Nothing but k plus plus, it will become 67. Again j value will become 3, 3 less than or equals to 3, true. So here you will get it, 67 is C. So like this third row will come. After that j value will become 4 and it will come out. Again k value will become what guys? 65. Okay, again it will start I plus plus, it will become 4. 4 less than or equals to 4, true, it will come inside. This condition j value is 1 and n minus I, nothing but 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 how much guys? 0. So this condition is false. 4 minus 4, 0. and j is 1, 1 less than 0, false, so no dollar will come on this line. Only what you will get, I value is 4, so 1 to 4 you will get it nothing but what, 65, 66, 67 and 68, nothing but you will get it A, B, C and D. So like this you will get this example. Guys, if you are not, I am trying to explain, but I am explaining a shortcut. If you want in detail, just watch my previous video, it will be little easy for you, because there I explain in detail. I will compile, I will give the name as pattern 5.c, and here I am giving the 4. We are getting the exact pattern what we have seen on the screen. I will give the different values, compile and run. I will give you a 6, this pattern is coming. Sir, I don't want dollar, instead of dollar I want space, can I give? Yes. You want star, space, whatever you want, you can just print it. I will give 5, you will get it. Like this you can print all the patterns. I hope it is very clear. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos, guys. Thank you for watching this video.